How to restore a whiteboard. Proven method to bring it back to life. 1. Understanding why whiteboards deteriorate. The surfaces of conventional melamine whiteboards are always at risk of wear, deterioration, and discoloration through constant contact with dry erase marker ink and erasers. Such surfaces grow increasingly rough over time with regular use, creating tiny ink-filled grooves that are hard to clean out completely. 2. How to restore a whiteboard. DIY approaches. The best approach is to coat the old surface with top-quality whiteboard paint. As mentioned, doing so will give you an eye-catching and highly stain-resistant writing canvas that is guaranteed to last for 10 or more years of regular use. 3. The best product for whiteboard restoration. Using top-quality whiteboard paint to repair an unusable whiteboard. In this way, you'll save the time, energy, and money involved in buying and installing a new board. The paint comes with an application kit that includes 2 parts, A and B, a roller handle, several microfiber roller sleeves, and a stirring stick. 4. Preventive maintenance to keep your whiteboard in top shape. A steady maintenance schedule is essential if you want to keep your whiteboard painted surface in topmost working condition. Be sure to stick to low-odor dry erase markers for writing, and a microfiber cloth for erasing, and eco-friendly whiteboard cleaners. 5. Cost savings. Restoring versus replacing a whiteboard. Traditional melamine-coated whiteboards require the most intensive maintenance. They deteriorate quickly, have short lifespans, and have to be replaced often. In the long run, melamine whiteboards are more expensive than porcelain enamel, glass, or painted steel boards. Choosing to restore your whiteboard with top-quality whiteboard paint makes perfect sense for both your budget and your peace of mind. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coating specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoating.com.